Hello and welcome to our channel. Are you worried about the current economic climate and how it may impact your finances? You're not alone. Many people are looking for ways to save money and prepare for uncertain times. That's why today we're bringing you 23 recession-proof frugal living tips that can help you weather any financial storm. Get comfortable and prepare to discover how to live a frugal lifestyle without compromising your quality of life. Let's jump right in. 1 Go LED. Are you tired of high electricity bills eating away at your budget? One way to reduce your energy costs up to 90% is by switching to LED lights. LED lights use less electricity and last much longer than traditional incandescent bulbs. Plus, they're more environmentally friendly. Going LED is a smart choice for anyone looking to live frugally and sustainably. So, if you haven't already, it's time to make the switch and start reaping the benefits. Don't think that Go LED is the only tip we have for you today. Stay tuned for more recession-proof frugal living tips coming up next. 2. Online trading if you're looking for ways to grow your savings and secure your financial future. Even during tough economic times, online trading may be the answer. With just a few clicks, you can invest in stocks, bonds, and other securities from the comfort of your own home. It's an exciting and potentially lucrative way to build wealth over time, but it's not without risks. That's why it's important to do your research and get the right knowledge and tools to make informed investment decisions. 3. Consider cost of gas. If you're serious about living frugally and saving money, cutting transportation costs is an essential step. As gas prices continue to rise, it's important to factor in the cost of transportation when budgeting your expenses. Consider alternatives to driving alone, such as carpooling, public transportation, biking, or walking. Not only can this help you save money on gas, but it's also better for the environment and can improve your physical health. So the next time you're planning a trip or commute, consider all of your transportation options and choose the most cost-effective and sustainable one for your needs. 4. Learn to do basic fixes. Do you find yourself calling a handyman or repair person every time something breaks or needs fixing in your home? Learning to do basic fixes yourself can be a game changer for living frugally and saving money in the long run. From fixing leaky faucets to patching up small holes in the wall, there are plenty of resources available online to help you learn these skills. Not only will you save money on hiring professionals, but you'll also gain a sense of pride and independence in being able to take care of your own home. 5. Water saving shower. Are you tired of seeing your water bill skyrocket every month? One way to save money on your water bill is to switch to a water saving shower head. These shower heads use less water than traditional ones, which not only saves you money, but also reduces your water consumption and helps the environment. By making this small change, you can see a significant decrease in your monthly bills and help reduce your carbon footprint. Stay tuned for our next frugal living tip. There are plenty more ways to save money and live a fulfilling life, even during tough economic times, so don't miss out. 6. Get a side hustle. Do you find yourself struggling to make ends meet despite your best efforts to cut back on expenses? One way to supplement your income and live a more frugal lifestyle is to get a side hustle. There are countless opportunities out there, from freelancing to selling items online to driving for a ride-sharing service. And who knows, it might even turn into a full-time career down the line. 7. Meat alternative. Did you know that meat is often one of the most expensive items in a grocery budget? If you're looking for a way to save money on food without sacrificing taste or nutrition, consider incorporating meat alternatives into your diet. There are so many options available these days, from tofu to tempeh to plant-based burgers and sausages. So why not give it a try and see how delicious and budget-friendly meat alternatives can be? If you have new ideas for meat alternatives, please share with us in the comments below. 8. Repair instead of replacing. When something in our homes breaks or stops working, our first instinct is often to throw it away and buy a new one. However, this can be a costly and wasteful approach to living. Instead, consider repairing the item yourself or finding a local repair shop that can fix it for you. You might be surprised at how easy and affordable many repairs can be, and you'll save money by not having to buy a new item. 9. Limit your gift purchase price. Gift giving is a beautiful way to show our appreciation and affection for our loved ones. However, it can quickly become an expensive habit if we're not careful. To prevent overspending, consider setting a limit on the amount you're willing to spend on gifts, whether for birthdays, holidays, or other occasions. This can help you prioritize your spending and ensure that you're not going overboard on gifts that might not be necessary or appreciated. 10. Compare different insurances. Always compare different insurance options to find the best value for your money. Whether it's car insurance, health insurance, or homeowner's insurance, it's important to shop around and compare different options before deciding. Don't just go with the first option presented to you or stick with the same provider out of habit. Instead, take the time to research and compare different plans, coverage levels, and prices. 11. Use the sun. Do you know the benefits of sun in our daily life? Consider using the power of the sun to your advantage. Whether it's drying your clothes on a clothesline or installing solar panels on your roof, harnessing the power of the sun can help you save money on energy bills and reduce your carbon footprint. You can also consider investing in solar-powered outdoor lights, which can save you money on electricity and add a touch of ambiance to your yard. 12. Reuse grocery bags. Why not spice up your shopping routine and make a sustainable choice by reusing your bags? Not only will you save money, but you'll also be doing your part to reduce waste and help the environment. Instead of constantly buying new plastic or paper bags every time you go to the grocery store, bring your own reusable bags with you. Not only does this help reduce waste and save the environment, but it can also save you money in the long run. Invest in a few sturdy reusable bags that you can use again and again. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more recession-proof frugal living tips. And be sure to keep watching this video for even more great ideas to help you save money. 13. Cheap phone plans. If you're looking for a simple way to save money and live more frugally, consider using a cheap phone. Instead of paying hundreds of dollars for the latest smartphone, opt for a more budget-friendly device that still allows you to make calls, send texts, and stay connected online. Using a cheap phone can help you break free from the constant cycle of upgrades and replacements that often come with more expensive devices. By sticking with a simpler phone, you can focus on what really matters and avoid the pressure to constantly keep up with the latest technology. 14. Practice good credit habits. If you're looking for a way to live more frugally and save money, practicing good credit habits can be a game changer. By being mindful of your credit score, paying bills on time, and avoiding unnecessary debt, you can set yourself up for financial success, both now and in the future. One great way to start practicing good credit habits is to regularly check your credit report and score. By staying on top of your credit profile, you can catch any errors or inaccuracies and work to improve your score over time. 15. Get others on board who said frugal living had to be a lonely road. Let's face it, saving money can be tough, but it's a lot easier when you have your tribe cheering you on. Getting your squad on board with your frugal lifestyle can be a fun and rewarding experience. And the best part? You'll be able to hold each other accountable and celebrate your financial successes together. 16. Downsize home or vehicles. Are you tired of struggling to make ends meet? Consider downsizing your home or vehicle as a way to save money and live more frugally during tough economic times. By trading in your expensive car for a more affordable model, or downsizing to a smaller, more efficient home, you can significantly reduce your monthly expenses and save for the future. So, if you're ready to take the first step towards a more financially secure future, start exploring your downsizing options today. Don't hesitate to drop your downsizing tips in the comments. 17. Use money-making apps. Have you ever considered using money-making apps on your smartphone? With the right apps, you can earn cash back, rewards, and even real money by completing simple tasks like taking surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. To get started with money-making apps, do some research and find apps that are reputable and reliable. Look for apps that have good ratings and reviews, and that offer a variety of earning opportunities. Some popular apps include Swaybacks, Survey Junkie, and Biota. With a little effort and the right apps, you can start earning money in no time. 18. Skip the salon. Why not skip the salon and try doing your own hair and nails at home? With the right tools and techniques, you can achieve professional-looking results at a fraction of the cost and build a recession-proof, frugal life that supports your financial goals. For example, if you want to do your own nails at home, you'll need a good set of nail files, clippers, and polish. Look for products that are designed for at-home use and are easy to apply, such as peel-and-stick nail wraps or gel polish kits. For hair care, invest in a good quality hairdryer, flat iron or curling iron, and products that will help you achieve your desired style. 19. Scan your receipts and get rewards with the increasing availability of receipt scanning apps. It's easier than ever to earn rewards for something you're already doing, shopping. By scanning your receipts, you can earn points, cashback, or even gift cards to your favorite stores. Some popular apps include Ibotta, Fetch Rewards, and Receipt Hog. Plus, many of these apps offer additional ways to earn rewards, such as by completing surveys or participating in promotional offers. 20 Go Off-Season. Are you tired of paying inflated prices for travel and vacations during peak season? Why not try going off-season? Not only can you save a ton of money, but you can also avoid the crowds and enjoy a more relaxing vacation. Many popular destinations offer lower prices during the off-season, and you may even find better deals on flights and accommodations. So next time you're planning a trip, consider going off-season and stretch your budget even further. 21. Grow your professional network. Growing your professional network can be a powerful tool for recession-proof frugal living. Building connections and relationships in your industry can lead to job opportunities, potential clients, and valuable resources. Attend networking events, join industry groups on social media, and engage in conversations with other professionals in your field. Remember, it's not just about what you can get from your network, but also what you can give. Offer your own expertise and support to others in your industry, and you'll build a strong reputation as a valuable member of the community. 22. Learn to negotiate. If you want to save money and make the most of your resources during a recession, learning to negotiate is an essential skill. Negotiating can help you save money on purchases, get better deals on services, and even increase your income if you negotiate a higher salary or freelance rate. Start by researching the market value of the product or service you want to purchase or provide. Then, practice your negotiation skills by being assertive, confident, and respectful. Remember, the worst that can happen is that the other party says no, but with practice, you'll be able to negotiate better deals and save money in the long run. We've got one final frugal living tip up our sleeve. Don't miss out on this last chance to save big. Keep watching and keep saving with us. 23. Use sale or discounted study material. If you're a student or someone who wants to learn something new, consider using study material that's on sale or discounted. There are many websites and platforms where you can find textbooks, online courses, and other resources at a fraction of their original cost. Some websites even offer free resources, such as online lectures and ebooks. By taking advantage of these resources, you can save money while still gaining valuable knowledge and skills. Thank you for watching our video on 23 recession-proof frugal living tips. We hope that you found these tips helpful and informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful content like this. Also, let us know in the comments which tips you found most useful, and feel free to share your own frugal living strategies. For more content right now, check out this video about the minimalist money makeover,